Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got some weird radios for you. What I did is, a couple of weeks ago, Amazon had their super sale. And they had one section called Haul. And it was the super discounts. So I was going through that, trying to find if I could find any radios or anything like that. And I found two radios and one kit, which is a Bluetooth speaker, which I still have to put together, but it's similar to other kits I've built. This one is a pocket radio. It's AM, FM, and MP3 player. It is tiny, fits in the palm of your hand, has a backlight. Let me see if I hit volume. There's the backlight, nice and bright. Right now, it is playing, but you don't hear it because I got the volume off. Music from the free YouTube library. And it comes with a charging cord. It's got a built-in battery. Now, the battery is not removable. So it's got a built-in battery, carrying strap, and a set of earbuds. Oh, and a manual. The manual is a very good manual. It's got a lot of details. I was amazed. On this side is where the TF card goes. Up here is the power, charging, and this is the earphone. And the stupid camera won't focus. Hello, camera. All right, don't focus. I don't care. That's where the earbuds go. Now, what I did so that you could actually hear it is I've routed it over to my speaker amplifier. And you need one that does quite a bit of amplification because the output is very low, but it's plenty loud if you're using the earbuds. Matter of fact, you only have to do it at like 30% volume to be loud. But I originally had another radio. I used this radio here. It's auxiliary input, and it didn't have enough amplification. So then I got this monster over here, which has a lot of amplification. Anyway, so that's how I'm playing it. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind is, notice there's no telescopic antenna. That's because the earbud wire is used for the antenna. And right now, let me get this out of the way. I'm using a cable which goes to this guy over here, this guy. And that's the antenna also. What I did is I held up the radio, stood up, held up the radio to stretch out this wire, and then I did a band scan. Yes, it does do ATS, both AM and FM. So I did that. I got 30 stations on FM. 30 stations, and there are 30 stations on my listing. Here's my listing. And that's as far as 30 miles out. Now, I haven't verified which of those stations that it found, because there's additional stations that's not on this list. For instance, there are repeater stations that there's some close by my house. So it picks up those, even though I told it not to print out the repeater stations. Okay. So anyway, FM reception was great. I haven't tried AM yet. I'll try that right now. I don't know if, I'm guessing that the AM band uses the same wire for an antenna. Maybe not. I don't know if there's a little tiny antenna built in. Oh, by the way, all right, just fall down. See if I can. There's the name of the radio. I think it's an AEIOPE. There's the controls. Mirror me up and down after you do a scan. Mode select there. Tuner, manually tuning, no buttons to tune. Volume. So you can set the time. It has a sleep timer. Now, what did I pay for it? Normally, it's $15, but they sold it at half price for $7. So now, here's the box. Now on Amazon, they're sold out. So they sold them all out when they were on that super sale. I can understand that. That's why I grabbed it. So unfortunately, right now, you can't purchase one. Okay, let's go back. We could play the MP3 files a little longer. Audio is perfect. And my speaker, my Century speaker, is doing a great job. It's stereo. Okay, now let's go change modes. There's FM. Oh, and I don't want music on FM. So what I can do, and I'm not going to hold the wire up a little bit, is I can now do a scan. Like I say, when I held the wire up as long as I could, or extended as far as I could, I got 30 stations. So let's try a scan with the wire laying down. And we can actually turn the volume up. Because it doesn't play the music very long.
You think you have it? You might be operations of the world's most.
Okay, we'll turn it back down just in case, so we don't want to get in trouble. Okay, it's up to 13. It's about halfway through the band. I'll set it down. I'm starting to shake. Well, you can't see it that way. Okay, there we go. Okay, to keep the glare off of it. 19. And like I say, it's using this wire here for an antenna, which is, right now the wire is laying down. 24, 25. Okay, so I think it was 29, so it's still found 29 stations, even with the wire not extended, I'll call it. Now, let's go to AM. There's AM, and we can do a scan. And let me turn the volume up. We got noise there. Okay, it's struggling. I'll hold the wire up. Let's see if it... Oh, here we go. So it's built in. Yeah, now it's doing good. Stations are that way.
It's a beautiful message, and we're...
See where it is. About done. $17, $18. No, so I got 17 stations on AM with a built-in, must be really tiny I mean, super tiny antenna. Pretty cool. This little guy is doing a pretty good job. I think even at $15, it's not a bad little radio. Stick in your pocket. Play your MP3 files. And I got it for $7. I guess it was a good deal because they're out of them now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells Amazon that I'm Amazon. Who? What? Tells Amazon? No. Tells YouTube I'm doing shows that you like. Isn't that cool? Have a great day. Bye-bye.